In this video, I'll show you how to make a Jana Nayagan movie font design. Okay, uh, I will provide the background picture and texture in our official website. I will provide the download link in description. Go and download it. I already downloaded these three pics. This is last one is a texture. Font is Chalfont. Font name is Chalfont Roman bold. I will provide the font download link in description. Kindly download the background picture, texture, and font. Okay. For this, I'm going to use Pixel app. If you don't have it, means kindly install it from the Play Store. Okay. Uh, that's fine. After downloading font, you need to extract it, guys. Okay. If you open Pixel app, you will look. It will look like this. Now click plus. Now from gallery, I'm going to add this one. Wait, this is just take. I'm resizing. Yeah, that's fine. Now again plus. Now text. I'm moving center. Double tap to edit this. I'm going to add tech log YT. It should be in fully capital, guys. Okay. Now okay. Now I'm going to click A. Now I'm going to choose font. Click my fonts, guys. Click add to actually Chalfont Roman. Yeah, choose this one. Yeah, it's added in the end. I choose it now. Okay. Yeah, now font is changed. Now I need to choose a texture, guys. Okay. Yeah, this one. Just take, guys. Now again click texture. Maintain ratio. Enable, guys. Scale 200 percentage. Disable the maintain ratio, but scale should be in the end 205 percentage. Then it's not look good. Okay. Where is relative position? Yeah, center on centered. Now I'm going to add a little bit shadow. Yeah, enable. Opacity I'm going to use just 50 percentage. Yeah, now it's good. That's fine, guys. Now I can save to gallery. Yeah, it's saved. Oh my god, what is this? I saved. It's advertisement. JPEG. Save to gallery. Yeah, it's image saved. That's it, guys. By this way, you can do a Janaya movie font design. For more movie font design tutorials, stay tuned our YouTube channel. Bye, guys.